यैस्तु भक्त्या स्मृता नूनं तेषां वृद्धिः प्रजायते। ये त्वां स्मरन्ति देवेशि रक्षसे ता न संशयः। यैस्तु, by whom, bhaktya smrita, remembered with devotion, tesham, for them, vridhi prajayate, get prosperity, noonam, certainly, deveshi, O goddess, ye tvam smaranti, those who remember you, tvam rakshase, you protect them, na samshayah, no doubt about it. The meaning would be those who remember you with devotion certainly get all prosperity. O Mother, you undoubtedly protect those who remember you. Preta samstha tu chamunda varahi mahishasana Aindri gajasamarudha Vaishnavi garudasana Maheshwari वृषारूढ़ा कौमारी शिखिवाहना लक्ष्मीः पद्मासना देवी पद्महस्था हरिप्रिया श्वेतरूपधरा देवी ईश्वरी वृषवाहना ब्राह्मी हंससमारूढ़ा सर्वाभरणभूषिता इत्येता मातरः सर्वा सर्वयोगसमन्विताः Chamunda Preta Samsthatu, Goddess Chamunda who is seated in Pretasana. Varahi Mahishasana, Goddess Varahi, Shakti of Vishnu in the form of a boar, who is seated on a buffalo. Aindri Gajasamarudha, Goddess Aindri, Shakti of Indra, seated on an elephant. Vaishnavi Garudasana, Goddess Vaishnavi, Shakti of Vishnu, seated on Garuda. Maheshwari Vrisharudha, Goddess Maheshwari, Shakti of Shiva, seated on a bull. Kaumari Shikhivahana, Goddess Kaumari, Shakti of Skandha, seated on a peacock. Narasimhi, Mahavirya, Goddess Narasimhi with great valor. Sarva Bharana Bhushita, adorned with all ornaments. Mahabala Shivaduti, Goddess Shivaduti with great strength. Padmasana Devi Lakshmi Padmahasta Haripriya, Goddess Lakshmi, consort of Vishnu, seated on a lotus with lotus in hand. Shweta Rupadhara Devi Ishwari Vrishavahana, Parvati wearing white clothes mounted on a bull. Brahmi Hamsa Samarudha, the Shakti of Brahma, seated on a swan. Iti Sarvaha Mataraha, thus all goddesses, Sarva Yoga Samanvitaha, Eva, are endowed with all the yogic powers. So, Goddess Chamunda seated on a Pretasana, Goddess Varahi seated on a buffalo, Goddess Aindri on an elephant, and Goddess Vaishnavi on Garuda, Goddess Maheshwari seated on a bull, Goddess Kaumari on a peacock. Shivaduti, the Shakti of Narasimha of great power is Goddess Shivaduti with great strength. Goddess Lakshmi, consort of Vishnu, seated on a lotus with lotus in hand. Goddess Parvati wearing white clothes, mounted on a bull, and the Shakti of Brahma seated on a swan. All these goddesses who possess great yogic powers appear wearing all kinds of ornaments. Nana Bharana Shobhadhya, Nana Ratnopashobhitaha, Drishyante Rathamarudha, Devya Krodha Samakulaha. Nana Bharana Shobhadhya, decorated with several kinds of ornaments. Nana Ratnopashobhitaha, resplendent with different kinds of rubies and diamonds. Devya Ratha Marudhaha, all the Devis sitting in the chariots. Krodha Samakulaha, with great anger. Drishyante, appeared. So, all the Devis were adorned with several kinds of ornaments, resplendent with different kinds of diamonds, pearls, and rubies. They wore chains studded with the best of blue sapphire stones and bright Padmaraga stones. All were seated in chariots and they looked very angry. Shankham Chakram Gadam Shaktim Halam cha Musalayudham Khetakam Tomaram Chaiva Parashum Pashameva cha Kuntayudham Trishulam cha Sharghamayudhamuttamam Daityanam Dehanashaya Bhaktanam Bhayaya cha. Shankam Chakram Gadam Shaktim, conch, disc, club and spear. These are the weapons of Devi. Halam Musalayudham, Khetakam Tomaram, plough, mace, javelin, pestle. Parashum Pasham, Kuntayudham Trishulam, axe, rope, spear, trident. Anuttamam Sharga Yudham, unequaled. Shargayudham, unequaled Sarangha, bow. Itham, Ayudhani, these weapons. Daityanam Dehanashaya, for the destruction of Asuras. Bhaktanam Abhayaya, cha, for giving refuge to devotees. Devanam cha hitaya vai, for the welfare of devas. Dharayanti, where. So, all the goddesses had in their hands the conch, the disc, the club, the spear, the plough, the pestle, the javelin, the axe, the rope, the spear, the trident, and the unequaled saranga bow for the destruction of asuras and for giving refuge to the devotees and for the welfare of devas. Dharayantyayudhanitham devanam cha hitaya vai namastestu maharudre mahaghora parakrame mahabale mahotsahe mahabhayavinashini trahimam devi dushprekshe shatrunam bhayavardini. Maharaudre, with a terrible form. Mahaghora parakrame, with great might and valor. Devi namastestu, namaste astu. To you, goddess, our prostrations. Mahotsahe, zealous. Mahabale, one who has great strength. Mahabhayavinashini, who destroys great fear. Dushprekshe, difficult to even look at. Shatrunam Bhayavardini, who instills great fear in the enemies. Devi Mam Trahi, Devi Mam Trahi, O Devi, please protect me. So it means, O goddess, you who are terrible to look at, who has great might and valor, prostrations to you. O Devi, who has great strength, who shows great zeal to save the world, who destroys great fear, who is terrible even to look at, and who instills panic among the enemies, please protect me.